If you're thinking to buy Cerave Hydrating Cleanser or Cerave Sa Cleanser, hold on. Watch this video before spending money, and if you want to know the additional use of Cerave Sa Cleanser, watch this video till the end. So first we will start with Cerave Sa Cleanser. This Cerave Sa Cleanser, I don't have renewing cleanser, I have Sa Cleanser. It gently cleanses and exfoliates while maintaining the skin moisture barrier. It has ceramides and salicylic acid. The website says it also has hyaluronic acid. And the backside of the bottle says it gently cleanses your skin. It's non-drying. It's paraben free, and the directions are wet skin with lukewarm water, massage cleanser into your skin gently in circular motion and rinse. So the hyaluronic acid that is present in the Sa cleanser is hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid in the original form is a bigger molecule, so it cannot penetrate into the skin. That is why chemical industries, they make it smaller by hydrolyzing hyaluronic acid with water, and becomes the hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid. I know you remember the chemistry class. So this hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, it works on the surface of the skin and it makes the skin smooth, and it also attracts water and binds water. That's why you feel the hydrating effect, and that is why this hyaluronic acid is included into this cleanser. So the next ingredient that is included in this Sa cleanser is niacinamide. Niacinamide is also called nicotinamide. It is one form of vitamin B3. It's a water-soluble vitamin. Niacinamide works on the enlarged pores. It minimizes them. It also improves the uneven skin tone. It works on the fine lines and the wrinkles. It diminishes the dullness on your skin. Niacinamide also has anti-inflammatory properties. That is why it is used for the condition like acne. Salicylic acid that is present into this cleanser is also called BHA or beta hydroxy acid. It is well known for the reducing of acne by exfoliating the skin. It removes the blackheads and the whiteheads. It keeps the pores clean. Salicylic acid penetrates into the deeper layer of the skin, so it removes the dead skin cells that clog your pores. That is why you have that acne-free, fresh skin, because of the salicylic acid. 2% of salicylic acid is included in this cleanser according to the web sources. I didn't find the percentage of salicylic acid in the Cerave original website, so I'm not sure if it's true or not, but 2% is the usually recommendation for the cleansers that are meant to reduce the acne. Another important ingredient in this Sa cleanser is ceramide. Ceramide is a long fatty chain acids that promote the cellular functions. Ceramides prevent the permeability and locks the moisture into your skin, and it helps to prevent dryness and irritation. It also protects your skin from the environmental damages. Then we come to the Cerave Hydrating Cleanser. This cleanser is meant for normal to dry skin. I have oily skin, but the reason I have bought this cleanser because it moisturizes, it restores and maintains the protective skin barrier. It has ceramides like I have explained before, and the hyaluronic acid, but the hyaluronic acid that is present in this cleanser is different than other cleanser. It's also non-comedogenic, it's non-drying, it's non-irritating. The reason it is non-comedogenic, that is why I have oily skin, and if I buy anything that can clog my pore, definitely it leads to the acne. So the direction of this cleanser is same like wet your skin with the lukewarm water, massage cleanser into the skin in gentle form and rinses. It also has pump like exactly the Cerave Sa cleanser. They both have the pumps. Hyaluronic acid that is present in the Sa hydrating cleanser is sodium hyaluronate. It's an extraction of pure hyaluronic acid sodium salt. Because of the extraction, it has lower molecular weight than both hyaluronic acid and the hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, and it's more effective than the hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid. It absorbs into the deeper layer of the skin and reduces the sign of aging. Now comes to the quantity and price of the both products. Cerave Hydrating Cleanser is 355 ml for 17.99 Canadian dollar, whereas Cerave Sa Cleanser is 237 ml for 17.99 Canadian dollar. So you are getting more product with the Cerave Hydrating Cleanser than the Cerave Sa Cleanser. So if we review both the bottles side by side, you can see Cerave bottle is bigger than the Sa Cleanser, and obviously there is more product in Cerave Hydrating Cleanser than the Cerave Sa Cleanser. They both have pump, but the Cerave Hydrating Cleanser bottle is mostly milky white, whereas Cerave Sa Cleanser bottle is transparent. So for reviewing the texture of both the products, I'll mark my hand in the middle, and I will write at one point SA. SA indicates the Cerave Sa Cleanser, and HY indicates the Cerave Hydrating Cleanser. And what I do now, I'm using the Sa Cleanser side, and you can see the Sa Cleanser is more like a transparent, and it also has a running consistency, but it's very transparent. And still the running consistency, it's just not like water-like, but it's a bit more water but less than a jelly. It's in between both the line. Then I'm putting the hydrating cleanser. The hydrating cleanser is milky white. It's not transparent and it is more thicker than the Cerave Sa cleanser. Like if you put and you move your hand, it will not move on the end side. It's more like a jelly sort of consistency. But when you apply the Cerave hydrating cleanser, you feel like you are applying the moisturizer with the cleanser. Now I'm doing the test of foam test, either the both cleanser they foam or not. So you're seeing SA cleanser, it just make a little bit foam but not more than that. But Cerave hydrating cleanser, it doesn't make any sort of foam at all. And also you feel like you are applying some sort of a cream in between with the cleanser. It has the same sort of feeling. Now I'm wiping it with a sponge and you can see the both sides, they look clean, they look neat than before. And I'm sorry, just I have also cleaned some of the eyeliner I have applied. The Cerave hydrating side, it looks more like it's sort of like you have applied a moisturizer with it, more hydrating. It's more soft, more plump. But the SA side is more like a drier side, like it's dry, it has a drying effect. Next question that arises, that either both of the cleansers they remove makeup or not. So for that test I have taken the Milky foundation. It's a foundation plus concealer, and I'm going to apply on both of my sides, and I'm doing the exact way like we do our makeup. I'm just dabbing it. I felt hydrating side had less foundation, so I applied a little bit more. So after applying the foundation on both the sides, I again applied the SA cleanser on the SA side, and I try to massage it like we usually do in the same way we wash our faces. And then I'm applying the water to see either it's removing it or not. Or you can see I'm feeling like it's removing the makeup, and yeah, it has removed the makeup, because you can see on the sponge I can see the foundation. So after SA side, it's time for the hydrating cleanser side. I have applied the cleanser as usual like I have applied for SA side, and I'm doing the exact same motions or exact same things that is written on the bottle. Then I'm applying the water and cleaning it, all the makeup that is on my hand. Then I'm wiping it with the sponge, and you can see it's apparently it has cleaned this side too. The hydrating side also has cleaned the makeup. Now I'm using the Garnier micellar water with the clean pad. I'm checking with the SA side either it has cleaned the makeup properly or not. And you can see there is still the traces of foundation. It means SA cleanser hasn't cleaned the skin very well. It is supposed to clean. Then I'm taking another clean cotton pad with the micellar water in it, and I'm using it on the hydrating side. And you can see the hydrating side has actually more makeup or more foundation than the SA cleanser side. So it means both the cleansers, they cannot clean your skin, or they cannot clean the makeup from your skin. So here are my final thoughts about both of these concealers. Cerave hydrating cleanser, it really makes your skin soft and hydrated. It really works in the cold and dry weather, even for oily skin, but I'm not sure if it does work for my skin in the hot and humid environment. Whereas Cerave SA cleanser, you can use it as an exfoliator. It really good if you use it twice or once a week for your blackheads or whiteheads. It's really good in a hot and humid climate, but it doesn't work good in the cold and the dry environment. You can use it as a body exfoliator, like if you have bumps on your arms, on your legs, you can use it safely into your shower and just apply the moisturizer. It will reduces the bumps on your skin as well, on the body skin as well. It has this benefit. That is why I think you should have both the cleansers, and you can switch in between. Hydrating cleanser doesn't clean your blackheads or whiteheads, they remain there. So you have to need exfoliation for your blackheads or whiteheads. If you like this review, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like my video. Bye bye.